Austin, very solid performance from the Portmore team here to really stop the unbeaten run of this Harbourview team. You naming the man of the game. Tell us how pleased are you with how you executed over the 90 minutes?
Well, it was a tough team effort, it's all about the team. It's not one player, I've done my part, but I couldn't have done it without the team. So that's where I keep it. It's a team effort.
8 games into the season now, do you feel that this is the a turning point in the season, saying that this is the biggest scalp that you've taken so far?
Definitely, but we just have to keep humble and keep doing what we're doing. Football is about team effort, and once we have that, we can always go through the games.
Even though that you got the ball and you were impressed, I guess the most was in terms of how defensively sound you guys were. Was that in terms of a focus going into this week facing the champions?
Yes, we start the league, with a solid foundation. As you can see throughout the league, I think we gave away 3 goals, so it was very good, for the team, and we just have to keep going and don't get carried away.
Respect.